Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to split first name and last name in Google Sheets. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up your browser and search for google.com/sheets, and then you need to just click on this go to sheet options and it will open up this new sheet in website here. Okay, and after this what you're gonna have to do, you will just write your name here in the single cell like this one. Now you will select this cell here and you will go into this data option and split text to columns, and now basically it can split up your text based on number of filters here by detecting automatically comma, semicolon, full stop and space. So right now we have space between our first name and last name, so we will select space, and here you can see that basically our name has been split. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.